So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp on a computer, right? Or your laptop. So just change. So what you do? Just go to Google, any browser, whether Firefox or Google Chrome. Just open it. Then making sure in a call internet, right? And just make sure you have some internet access. Yeah, how do you know internet? Yeah, so here let me zoom a little bit. So kati chokola, just go here and then type in web.whatsapp. Alright, web already said web.whatsapp. Then you press enter. So kati, then you click on this web.whatsapp website. Alright, so ikyali mu loading. So kati yeah, perfect. So nga bakuleetedde QR code. Actually osobola okukozesa QR code okulinga WhatsApp y'essimu ku laptop yo oba computer. So okukozesa QR code, scanning no QR code, oba you can link with phone number. So teekamu number y'essimu eya WhatsApp gy'okozesa ku ssimu. So kati let's start with the QR code. Kati ku QR code is just very simple, right? Kati ofuna so ofuna essimu yange eno, right? For example, njagala kulinkinga WhatsApp yange, this WhatsApp njagala gilinkinga ku computer. So kyenkola just ogenda waggulu wano eno wali dots obusatu, then ogenda ku settings, right? Ogenda ku settings, then no clicking on this QR code like that. Then scan code. This is my code. Me njagala ku scanning eno eri kuki, this one eri ku laptop. So you scan this one. So when you scan like that, yeah, continue. Press continue. So you want to link, yeah, you are linking a device, okay? So I want to link this laptop on my scan again. Yes. Yeah, perfect. So kati wano bakulaga loading chats. Perfect. Kati kiba kiwedde. Right, so zona mba nzi scannings, right? So kiba kiwedde. So here kati kino eno, just in case wabanga essimu toli nayo, you can easily use your laptop to monitor your WhatsApp, right? Also okozesa laptop yo okumonitoringa your WhatsApp chats, right? Yeah, then ekirala kiba kiyamba nnyo. For example, if some guys use it, or some women, if for example you are suspecting your husband or your wife, or suspecting him, maybe he's playing some games or he or she is cheating, so just you can link his device on your laptop, so that no one go monitoring account ye okitegeera. Yeah, buli kigenda maaso wano oba ofunako copy. So you are surveillancing on your wife or your husband. So oba oyagala kuŋŋaanya bukakafu, olaba oba mukazi wo cheating, oba bbaawo ayinayo abalaba kwasaganya. So this method nayo ebeesa okukozesa, just linking a WhatsApp ye ku laptop yo, as simple as that.